With Interra's online banking, we also offer personal financial management. From the dashboard, you'll see 3 tiles. First one is Spend Forecast, Financial Health Checkup, and Spending Analysis. First, we'll go over Spend Forecast. It'll first ask you to review your current account information. Upon review, go ahead and select and deselect which accounts you would like to be viewed for the spending forecast. Then click Next. Now we will look at events. You can select and deselect income events, bills and subscriptions, and lastly, transfers. Once you're done, go ahead and click Next. Lastly, we'll look at credit cards. It'll show you some options that you can choose for the spend forecast of your credit card. Once complete, click Done. And that's it. It'll show you your spend forecast. From here, you can see which account is selected. It'll show you your current balance today, as well as your future balances that is projected. Below that, you'll see projected transactions as well that may be coming up. You can also go to Events. From here, it'll show upcoming events based on your trends. Let's go back to the dashboard. Next, we will review the Financial Health Checkup. When you're ready, go ahead and click Get Started. Go ahead and read through this information, and then go ahead and click Get Started. Next, you'll follow these prompts. It'll ask you a few questions as you scroll through, showing your available accounts that can be used in the Financial Health Checkup. Click Continue. Next, it'll have you enter your year of birth, your annual gross household income, and this is household earns per year before taxes. And lastly, it'll have you select your credit score. Once complete, click Next. Now you'll go ahead and select and deselect some more household statuses, such as if you're employed, married, have a vehicle, own a home. It'll also have you select insurance plans such as life, health, auto, disability, renters. Once complete, go ahead and click Next. Now it'll ask about your financial planning habits. Do you always plan ahead, occasionally plan ahead, or never plan ahead? Make your selection and then click Next. Finally, it'll ask about your financial planning habits for the next 5 to 10 years. Again, it's a list that you can select things such as education, paying down debt, traveling, growing a family, buying a home, etc. Go ahead and look through the list and make your selections, and when you're done, go ahead and click Finish. Congratulations, it's all set up. Let's go ahead and take a look. As you can see, the financial health status has been set to Good. It is broken down into a few categories, such as spending, borrowing, planning, and savings. You can also select the specific subheadings to get more detailed information. For example, this one is your spend-to-income ratio. You can do this with other subheadings as well to get more detailed information. This concludes our financial health checkup. Let's go back to the dashboard to learn more. Finally, we'll look at spending analysis. Go ahead and click View More Details. From here, you'll see your spending analysis that is automatically populated. It shows things such as home expenses, food expenses, automotive, insurance, healthcare, etc. You also can connect another financial institution if you would like. If you want to filter things out, you can choose a specific account by deselecting the others and only looking at one account if you would like. You can also change the categories that are shown. And also, you can look at the span of time at which the data is populated. So you could also change it to an entire year, as shown here. We at Interra hope these tools help you with your personal financial management. Thank you for choosing Interra's online banking.